Hello and welcome to Bellwright. Today we got really good news. A big patch or update just launched. You can access this via the Steam page. And yeah, we got, for example, it's what I find the most important one, the forester. You see it right here. You can plant some tree seeds, as you can see here, and then if they're fully grown, you're getting tree sapling. So that's quite good. And these things your villagers can just plant. So you will, getting regrowable trees. Really nice. And it was really time for that, I need to say, because you see here, that was all woods, just all got cut down, and I think a lot of you people had the same problem. So really good news. For the tree saplings, you can try your luck and harvest these and hope that you're getting a sapling, but this is really unreliable. You can just go to these herbalists' huts. They are quite spread out. This is one, then there is one, and you just need to check on the map, and there you can go to them, check their trade offer, and let's see if he's selling. Yes, he's selling. Here, 3 seeds 4 times, so you can buy them. And that's the easiest way to get them. And for the second really nice thing is a staging ground. That is the big flag here. So if you get like a companion, for example here, Lubomir Netabi, you can order him then to stock up, and he will stock up on food. This can be even better if you build the food bag, also a new item from the update. And there he can store 3 food items on top of the 3 he can eat. So that's really good. Let's try this out. I think it's a little bit buggy, but let's see for ourselves. Stock up. Here we'll run to the next food container and we'll get the food. And I think we'll eat it first.
Happy days, all thanks to you.
Let's see what he's doing.
Curious times we live in with talk of wars and rebels and such.
And he's running again to that. Okay, is he now stocked up? I guess not.
Happy days, all thanks to you.
So this is a little bit bugged, I would say, but in general, it should be used that he will stock up on food, will eat, and collect also food, and that of course will work with multiple companions. So yes, that would be the staging round for you. But as I said, it's the early patch, that's why it's in this beta branch, and yeah, it's a little bit bugged. For the third change or update, it is the Brigand Headquarters, what you see behind me. I don't want to spoiler too much, but they got a lot of improvements, some blocking of areas that are not finished. So yeah, if you want a detail list, I will link of course the patch notes in the description, so you can see it fully. Next point on the list would be tier 3 improvements. For example, the bakery got overhauled and it's now making, instead of 8 bread per craft. All the other recipes from 1 to 3 increased. And for the windmill, it got an increased floor output from 1 to 5. So that got overhauled. Then let's move on to the next one, and that would be the inn. There are new recipes that are quite handy and beneficial for the player, you can say. Then in the big house, it got upgraded from 5 settlers that can live in there to 7. And the last thing would be the warehouse. Got the storage increased from 2,500 to 6,500. So for the next points, let's just jump straight into the patch notes. And there we have gameplay improvements. As you can see, increased spoilage time for food that doesn't regrow. This includes meat, cooked dishes, and special raw food like cloudberries. Removed and adjusted NPC profession requirements for researching T2 equipment in Toolmaker and Weaver Hut. Changed metal helmets crafted in Weaver Hut to Toolmaker. I find this makes actually a lot of sense, because I wondered myself why a metal helmet would be done in the weaver's hut. Then made it possible to destroy saplings growing in forests by hitting them with a weapon. Fixed book reading and other status effects sometimes get stuck when loading the game after sleeping. Fixed knowledge book loot, never dropping one-handed books. Thank you to our modders for finding this issue. So the modders did, again, a super good job. Fixed rabbit traps, sometimes not being accessible by trappers. Then to the combat, added new down block animation for two-handed weapons, increased the size and duration of blood particles to make them more prominent. Then to user interface, added the word broken to broken items when searching for deliveries and for storage management in stockpiles, added warnings to the research desk screen to show missing requirements for research, added new category to stockpile storage management for knowledge books, quest items, old coins and animal trophies. I really like this one. So you have now 4 categories in the storage system, you can say. So you can put all this stuff separately. I really like this. Improved various alignments and positions of various screens and menus, added words highest and lowest when selecting priorities to make it clearer. This is also quite helpful. A lot of people ask me, what is the highest? Is 9 the highest? So the most priority, or 1? And it is 1, as you can see here. Fixed clicking on specify amount in the storage menu, enabling an item that was previously disabled. And text and localization, updated all localizations to new and changed text, improved and fixed Ukrainian, Polish and Russian localizations, updated simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese localizations, fixed wrong spelling of Bradford in some posters, fixed wrong text being voiced by NPCs in some instances of their dialogue, and the various fixes. Fixed rare issue on save files in late progression that would load for 10 minutes or more, fixed crash when rabbit traps would get assigned to a settlement twice, fixed working animations not playing for NPCs when using some tier 2 buildings, and fixed shooting corpses giving archery experience and lowering trust or mutilating animal corpses. So guys, this is the whole patch. It is quite big, as you can tell, but I really like it. And they instantly made a second hotfix, you can say, for the patch, because it was a little bit broken when it came out. But they all fixed this, so it's really good playable, I would say. And I would strongly suggest you are downloading it and trying it yourself. To get access to the new patch, you're just pressing right click on Bellwright, properties, and then on betas. And there you type in the code and just say check code, and that's how you get access to the update. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it and it was helpful, please leave a like, a comment and a subscription, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful Sunday.